In this video, we are going to see how to install VS Code editor on macOS. We will see two methods to install VS Code. The first one would be to directly download from the browser, and the second method would be to install it from the command line. Let's see the first method. So we are going to open a browser and visit code.visualstudio.com. As you can see, we have a download button. So you can easily find out this download button on the home page itself. You just need to click it and download it. Let's click the download button and download the zip file. So as soon as we click the download button, we will be redirected to getting started page, where you can find a lots of good information about the VS Code. So as you can see, getting started, it's talking about the Visual Studio Code is a lightweight and powerful source code editor which runs on your desktop and available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux and other flavors of Linux. So it's very good that I can say. Because it's getting more popular nowadays and more coders and programmers are using it. I would strongly encourage you to go through this getting started page and look through all the steps which they are providing. If you are looking for some kind of shortcuts, that is also mentioned in this getting started page. You can find it, all the information. This is first method which we are using. We are just downloading the zip file, we are unzipping it. So that is one of the simplest method. So our download is completed and we are just going to open it. We will double click it and it will extract the zip file. Once you extracted your zip file, you need to open applications on another tab, as I'm doing, and you just need to drag the extracted part into application. Hence it's already installed in my system, so it's asking for me to replace it with the existing one. Let's quickly open the Visual Studio Code which we have installed. You can see there is a start section and the help section, and you will find a good amount of information to getting started with the VS Code. In left hand side you can see there are 5 icons, and those are the most important options which you are going to use the most. In left panel, the first option is used to open any kind of files or folder. We use the second option to search any text within a file or across the directory, across the project file. So this option comes very handy when you need to search something, not only the within a file but entire project which you are working on. So in that case, that option is very handy. The third option is the source control option, that is also known as a version control system. In simple words, we can say the version control system is used for tracking the changes in the source code during the software development. When we develop any kind of software, it's very important to track all the changes period by period which we are doing. The next option is the debugging option, which is used to debug the program. So if you are getting any kind of errors in your program, and if you want to debug and find out the root cause why your program is not working properly or failing, in that case you are going to use the debugging option. The next option is the extension or the plugin option, which comes in handy whenever you want to install any kind of plugins or extension for your program. See the second method. Now we are going to install Visual Studio Code using command line. I will quickly open the terminal and resize it so you guys can easily see. I will provide all the commands in the description below, so you can just go there and copy that command and use it. I am assuming here you have already installed the homebrew into your system. If not, let me know in the comment section. The first command is brew update. So that command is fetch the latest version of the homebrew and formula. In my case, the homebrew is already up to date. So as you can see, I am getting the message the already up to date. Right? In your case, if your homebrew is not in a latest version, it will try to fetch that latest version and install it. In second command, we are just tapping the cache repository from GitHub using. And now we are searching the Visual Studio Code to all the known cache. So that search will do the partial and the exact match search. So after the search, we are just getting the more info about the Visual Studio Code. So that simply displays the more information about the given cache. If you have any doubt, concern or question, let me know in the comment below.